What's up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick different Rustoleum colors and then we decide to shoot pearls, flakes, or candies over top. We create new interesting color combinations that you guys might want to use for your future project. And then the fun part, you guys get to rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10, however you want to rate it. These are all just test spray outs for fun to showcase different new products you might not have seen before and give you ideas for your next project, be it a car or whatever you decide to paint. Today I've got a very interesting one, a new eye candy pearl called Aztec Purple. And what are we going to be shooting it over top of? Well, I got a fender prepped up behind me. We're going to do Satin Lagoon and Gloss Purple Rustoleum. Now, this Aztec Purple has some very interesting candy-like purple properties, so I thought it would do good over a purple. And over the Lagoon, well, every now and then I like to change it up because I know a lot of people say sometimes they get tired of seeing me shoot everything over black. But here you go. Satin Lagoon today, guys, and Gloss Purple with Aztec Purple Pearl from Eye Candy Pigments. Let's get into today's episode. Guys, so we got our two wild Rustoleum colors down, and if you guys know anything about this channel, every now and then I'll go outside the box and pick two random colors and a random pearl and just kind of shoot something outside the ordinary. And today is kind of the toss-up video for recently, but anyways, guys, I'm using Finish One Clear today, 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener, 5 ounces total in the mix, and now Aztec Purple. Now, this is a very candy purple pearl, and it looks like it has hints of blue, and so a little bit of a shifting capability to it. So this 5 ounces total, I'm gonna put about half a teaspoon into this mix because these solid pearls tend to be a little bit more vivid than some of the color shifts of some of the other ones. And as always, I'm gonna bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Aztec Purple. Before I get to stirring, you can see some variations of purple and blues, which is another reason why I picked Satin Lagoon. And as I get to stirring, wow, that changed it up. That's a very blurple. A lot of purple, a lot of blue. So I think it's going to do really good over the Gloss Purple. And over that Satin Lagoon, since it has a little bit of kind of, you know, a bluish variation to it, it should do good as well. But there's only real one way to find out, guys. Let's load up the old paint gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, I got my All-Rita paint gun here today. It's a low volume, low pressure, LVLP. It's a 1.3 tip. I shoot 28 PSI wide per trigger. If you decide to replicate my settings, feel free to. We'll load it up with some Aztec Purple. I'm going to do a light coat on this panel first, check, make sure I don't get any reactions, and then we'll do 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get the desired effect. And then the fun part, we take it out in the sun and we see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so the spray out today is Aztec Purple over Gloss Purple and over Satin Lagoon. Now over both colors we have very different effects. I did retain some of that blurple color, especially over the Gloss Purple, if you see it. And then over the Satin Lagoon, it really kind of blended in nicely and gave it almost like a glow effect. So very interesting over both colors. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. A really cool Aztec Purple Pearl by Eye Candy Pigments, a solid pearl over top of Gloss Purple and Satin Lagoon. Obviously the satin is no longer satin because the clear dictates what kind of finish it has. Over the Gloss Purple, you definitely retain some of that bubblegum blurple effect, and that's kind of what I was going for and why I chose the Gloss Purple. Over the Satin Lagoon, I saw some blue tendencies in the pearl as well as a purple, so I was really curious to see what it would do over a medium tone blue that's kind of in between those two shifts. So it did have a little bit of a color shiftness to it, but over the Satin Lagoon, it was a big surprise. It really blended to the color well, and then at certain angles you would have like a glowing blue effect, which really was pretty when the light hit it. Over the Gloss Purple, well, you got a much more contrasting effect when the light hits it, and then it almost goes a little subtle when the light's not on it, almost kind of like a ghost pearl. So a very interesting spray out nonetheless. But it ain't up to me, it's up to you guys. Y'all rate it 1 to 5, 1 through 10, however you want to rate it. If you want to spray with Aztec Purple Pearl on your next spray out, I can get you a discount on it, guys. I'm an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments. My links are always in the description of every video. Just click the link and at checkout enter WAW shop. While shop, you'll get a discount and it goes to help out the channel. And also, the Finish One Clear I used today, the paint gun, the mask, all that stuff is in my Amazon store. Links are in the description for that as well. Just click As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my Amazon store. You can purchase everything there for the same price I do. We will get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra. And you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you enjoyed this spray out today and you want to see more, definitely hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification beside it so you'll get notified every time a new episode drops. And leave me a like and comment, guys. Let me know what you thought of today's spray out. What's your favorite spray out so far? And what spray out have I not done in the over 100 spray outs I've done that you guys might want to see next? You can always drop it in the comment and I'll try to get to it as quickly as possible. But I had a lot of fun with this one today, guys. These were definitely very interesting color choices, and I like to go outside the box every now and then and just pick something odd because you just never know what you're going to get when you spray it out. So I appreciate you guys for watching today. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.